chose to do Nanivale Akamahina, and we're going to do a little ka'i before that particular mele called Sweet Moonlight, and both of those numbers are attributed to Queen Emma. And we decided, of course, because this is the first time that we are participating up here, and since this is her house, we decided we wanted to acknowledge that. So both of these mele refer to Queen Emma as the moon. And in Hawaiian, we have that saying, pali e ke kua, mahina e ke alo. So back as straight as the cliff and face as bright as the moon. And that describes a beautiful person. So the composer of the mele, who we don't know, wrote this for Emma. And so we're going to use that mele to describe Emma. And it also, I believe, was probably during the time of her election with Kalakaua, because there are references in the mele that talk about her in a very poetic way, reassuming the throne. There's a line in there that says, Ho'iana I kalala. And Ho'iana I kalala says coming back on a particular wave, but it's a reference to her regaining her throne again. So definitely a mele done by her Emma'ite people. So we just decided that this was such a beautiful mele to do. We're going to not do it in the hula ku'i style. I know that Kahuanu Lake recorded this mele, and I think he's one of the few people who ever recorded it. And they recorded it in the hula ku'i style, which is a very fast moloka'i style of dancing. But we're going to take it in a very slow hula tempo style and referencing the monarchical time of which Emma was participating.